Making sure all the little decals for the crazies are off, guys. I'm very excited for this. You already saw it on the thumbnail, guys. Man, I'm excited for these, guys. Very, very excited. But now, it's time to see them in person. Now you're gonna get the real reaction, and hopefully, I don't have any more stickers. And hopefully, I get this bad boy in one shot. You ready for this? It always goes wrong somehow, some way. But I got a good feeling about this one. The same way I hit on these bad boys right here. Let's do this. I don't even want to waste time on this, guys. What I tell you? What I tell you? A miracle that even happened. All right, here we go. Let's open this bad boy right here. This thing is, I think, it's worse in the top. Yes, 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 yes. Guys, ready for this? I'm giving you the unboxing, the review, everything in one shot, guys. I'm trying to do this as quick as possible. Bring to you the good stuff. Yo, really nice. Obviously, you guys are gonna get my reaction, and I'll be putting little footages there, you know. Try to do the best editing I can with this thing, guys. Check this out. Look at that box, man. Look at that box. How beautiful. Nice. Textured all the way around, man. Good quality, too. Very nice quality box. Yes, yes. Very, very beautiful. And bike air in the front. As you guys can see right there. Bike air in the front. I told you guys, this is exclusive right here. I'm doing the unboxing and the review at the same time. Let's see what happens. Maybe it goes wrong, maybe it goes right. I don't know. Sneakers app, hit on them. Happy, 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 happy. All right, here we go, guys. Let's open these bad boys up. Yes, 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 yes. Very nice. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Look at that. Nice little stripe, little Velcro thing here, guys. Very nice. Holding the sneakers. You know, I'm guessing, you know, brick style or something like that, you know. Kind of different bricks that get wrapped like this too, but that's a different story. Let's go over here. Let's get these bad boys out. Man, I'm excited for these. Very excited. Very nice. Very nice plastic. Look at this, bro. Look at this. How cool. Look at that. How dope. Hey, look. Check it out, guys. You know the sticker that goes inside of the box? The box is orange inside, guys. Just so you guys know. It's actually inside of the bag. Inside of the bag. Very nice. Man, this is cool, man. I like this. You know what would have been dope as hell if they would have added the Jordan logo on it? Oh, like brick by brick on it. Yeah, I know. More value, more cost. But hey, it would have been a nice little touch right there, guys. But it don't matter. It don't matter. Once again, it's not like I really care about boxes. At least in my case, I don't. But let me put these bad boys right here. I'll open the other one. Yes. How nice, man. Wow. Well, I'm going to give you the review just a little bit, guys. This thing is beautiful. Beautiful. And guys, I don't need that much time to give you a full review on them. I'm going to give you the full review. You know what? Let's get into it. If I miss anything in the review, I'll do a second video for it, give it full justice. Let's get into it. Let me put this right here, guys, so I won't make that much noise in the camera. All right, let's start it off like I always do. The materials and the toe box. This is fire. The toe box, guys. It's actually textured. Now that I'm looking at it really good, it's actually textured in like if it was an actual brick. This is cool as hell, guys. This is so awesome. The whole toe box, all that leather, it is actually leather. Out of what I can see in the inside, it's actually leather, but it's all textured like it was a real brick, like a gravel type of thing. Very nice. And that actual swoosh, the little dot swoosh right there in the front, it's actually sewn onto it. I guess that's why it's by leather, you know what I'm saying? Now, if you guys can see right there, I'm gonna try to give you the best footage as possible. Look how that changes colors, guys. Wow, man. This is like a very good quality suede, like very good quality. Not the hairy kind. No, it's not the hairy suede, guys. You know, like I like the Furburgers. No, it's not that. It's actually very nice. It's just nice, man. Smooth, bro. Beautiful. Now let's go to the top of the sneaker, guys. The tongue, the mesh. I don't know if the inside where the mesh is at, the actual inside of the bottom of the mesh is actually reflective. I think it actually is, guys, if I'm not mistaken. I've seen a lot of pictures that it looks white sometimes, and I've said to myself, why is it white? And it's actually reflective. This has to be reflective, guys. I can remind you, I'm unboxing this right now. I'm looking at it right on the spot, and I don't read anything. I want 100% my opinion on it. So I think it's reflective. Let's get back into it. So the whole mesh in this brick type color that in reality is more orange. Now that I'm looking at it, I ordered a hat for it. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know if it's gonna match perfect, because the hat that I bought is actually orange. This is more throwing like a lava red type, like, or it's orange but not a full-blown orange, you know what I'm saying? Not like a UM orange or a Clemson orange or something like that, or Syracuse, whatever, the Dolphins. It's not that type of orange. It's more like a real dark red type of color. Real nice though. The laces on this one, the same color as the sneaker. Quality on the laces ain't no big deal, guys, honestly. It's no big deal. It's regular laces. Regular Jordan laces or Nike laces, whatever. Let me ask you guys a question. When you guys put the white laces on these bad boys, or you guys leave the orange? I'm in a big debate with this. Like, I like the whole orange look, but at the same time, I'm like, damn, the white laces will make it pop a lot. I don't know, guys. Once again, I gotta see the laces in here. I'll get to it right now in just a little bit. Now, going into the tongue, the embroidery on it's a little bit different, guys. It's actually a little bit different. It looks better quality than the rest of the actual Jordan 4s. I will have to look. Oh man. Okay, I'll get to that right now in a little bit. Very nice though. Very, very nice. The Jumpman is like the same type of reddish color as the toe box and the midsole. Just so you guys can know, it's the same exact color. And then the actual tab though is actually that orange magma color. I don't even know how to define this color. More like a burnt orange. That's what it is. It's more like a burnt orange. Now let's get into the back of the tongue over here that I just saw, and this is super cool, guys. It says Jordan Biking Co. 2017. That is hard, dude. That is so cool, bro. It's different. It doesn't say the Air Jordan in the inside. Now looking at the actual insole. Let me look at it over here, guys. Yeah, literally, this is all new to me too, guys. You know, this is as new to you, you know, if you guys haven't seen a review of these shoes. The actual insole is the color of the same, of the toe box, and it says Go. That everybody knows that's Nigel Sylvester's company, the Go company. You know, I don't really know what the GO stands for. You know, once again, I love BMXing. Been BMXing my whole life, in other words. Not a professional level or nothing like that, guys. Just BMX riding. I just love the fact that it's bike air, it's a BMXer, and it's Jordan. It's history in the making, guys. You know, for at least a BMX fan, and even a Jordan fan, is something new. You know, something. It's crazy, bro. It's badass. Anyways, let's get back to it, guys. You see right there on the shoelace lids, right there, they're in actual that same magma orange color. It's not the same as the midsole color, but it's nice, you know, very nice, orangey. The back, guys, it's an orange also, and it says Bike Air. Very beautiful. I like that a lot. That now that I'm looking at it, man, this is nicely put together, man. Like, yo, they killed it with this shoe, man. They killed it with this shoe. And it makes me even happier that I actually hit on it on the sneakers app. You know, that makes me extremely happy. Yes. Let's get into the midsole, guys, because out of what I see right now, this is very unique. Very, very unique, very cool. You guys see this right here? This little two parts right here. Then I'll show you the image. You see these two little things right there, guys? This is solid. This is solid right there. That solid brick red color. But now, you see this, the whole edging right here? You see that whole edging right there? I'll show you the images now. That whole edging is actually like clearish, you know. It's like you could call it translucent type. It's not solid. It's not a solid rubber. It's actually translucent, you know. Very, very cool. I love that touch right there, man. Super nice. Now let me look over here. I gotta get the light, guys. The inside, the actual air bubble, it's in the same color as the top right here. It's actually the same exact color as the top right here, dark red color. Very beautiful. And of course, you guys see it right there where the air bubble's at. It's in white. You guys can see it right there in the image. I love that a lot, man. Now, let's hit up the bottom of the sneaker. Let's hit this up. I don't want this video to go forever now. The whole toe box, the front of the toe box right here, you know, I'm gonna point it out to you first and then show you the imagery. That toe box area right there, it's in like a red solid. That's more like a solid red color. To me, it looks solid red because I'm kind of putting it to right here, like this thing in my mat right here with the Jordan 1, and it's more like a red. Let me check this out. Yeah, you see it right there. It's very similar, not the same, but it's more like a darker red, more pungent red than this one. This is more like a Ferrari red type of color, but very nice. Pero even the Spanish is coming out, guys. You know, bear with me over here. The whole middle right here, guys, as you guys can see right there, in white. You know, very nice, very clean, very beautiful. The white patch in the front, right here in the toe box, right here, the same translucent right here. It's actually in the inside of the sneaker too, of the sole of the sneaker. It's actually all translucent, also that translucent red color. The back is actually solid. The back is actually solid. And the front is solid with the little spikes are at. Very, very nice. Now let's open up the right foot. The right foot. Let's open up the right shoe bag thing over here. This one has one of those little decal things too, an encoder or whatever it is. Check this out. Let me see if there's any other difference. Man, that makes a lot of noise. What is this? All right, it says the exact same thing in the inside of this one. Jordan Biking Co. 2017. That's another thing I'm looking at right now, guys. No glue marks, man. None. Like none, man. And usually when you do like massive close-ups, I'm gonna give you a close-up. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna give you a close-up right now. But notice there's no glue marks on this. And I can show you a million other Jordan 4s, man. They're full glue marks. And this has no glue marks whatsoever. Man, they did such a clean job in this shoe. Let me check out the left shoe. What a clean job, man. What a super clean job. Now, I'm going to tell you something off the rip. Now that I notice it right here. Trust me, I caught it real quick. I just kept going and looking to see if it was in another spot. Right here in the inside, I'm going to show it to you in the footage. That it has like a little scuff. That's factory, too. A little scuff right there. Does it bother me, guys? Not really. It doesn't bother me at all. Let it be, man. You know, it's just natural. But it shows me right there that you got to be kind of careful with this suede, guys. You have to be careful with that suede. You know, you'll scuff it up really easy because it's a really subtle suede. It's not super thick or anything like that. Oh, I forgot to mention the lining. Very good quality lining. Not the same as the rest of the Jordan 4s. Not the same. Very, very nice. Let me see how. You know how people do. But this one has the white laces, guys. This one has the white laces. Are they waxed? No, they're not waxed. They're just regular white laces, guys. Just regular white laces. And I'm in a big debate with this, man. Honestly, I'm in a real big debate. I don't know if to go with the white. You guys gotta help me out with this one. I'm that serious. And like, I don't know. I'm very debating if to just keep it with the orange. I like the whole orange look too, you know. But this makes it pop also. But let's be realistic, guys. This orange, red magma shoe, if this doesn't get somebody's attention, these people are blind. So I personally think they're amazing, guys. Amazing. This shoe, they killed it with this sneaker, man. They totally killed it with this sneaker right here. Look at that. Very, very, very clean. Of course, guys, I feel personally like I haven't gave it justice. If you guys think that I should review it in more depth, and just let me know. I'll do it all over again. I just want to capture this for you guys, and you know, something like an unboxing but with a review. So if you guys feel that the review didn't go very good, let me know. Please let me know. Don't be afraid to tell me, hey Primo, redo the video, you know, do a more intensive review on it, so I could and I'll do it gladly. No problem, guys, no problem. But that's pretty much it. As soon as I get the hat, you know, I'll match it. I'll do the video. Excuse me about that. I'll do the video, show it to you guys. You know, the whole shebang. Once again, gorgeous sneaker. Gorgeous sneaker, man. I'm super happy, super satisfied with this shoe. And I might do a video talking about some Jordan 4s in the future, because it's a lot more important to me than what I thought it was. Let's just put it like that. Guys, that's pretty much it. Please let me know if you're not satisfied with the review. I have no problem taking criticism. It is what it is. Of course, well, it's not stupid. I'm fine with it. Let me know. I'll do it. No problem. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Now time to edit, get this video as soon as possible out. Peace! Damn, I totally messed that one up. You see what I mean? That's called doing new things, guys.